In this video, I want to show you how to create a storefront inside of Paystack.com. So Paystack is a payment processor for Nigerians and Africans, but you can also use it to create a store where you can sell things. And this store is basically free. So what this means is that you can build a store that you can use to receive money or payments for your product and or services even globally without paying anything upfront. So the first thing you need to do is to create a Paystack account. So I already have a video that covers that, so I will not be going into that now. So once you've registered your account, if you come to your account here, you scroll down, you see under commerce we have storefront. So if you click on storefront, you would be brought to an interface like this. So you want to come here, click on start a new storefront. We have a video that actually tells you how to create a storefront. That's if you prefer them to me, but if you like me more than them, then I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you come here, you click on new storefront, and this is where you want to name your store. So let's say I want to name my store like the good guy store. Right here I can select my currency. So with Paystack you can use USD or NGN. So I do not have a USD account connected, that's why I have just NGN here. So here you can see I already have a store link now, which is paystack.shop/goodguy. So I can use that. So come here, click on create, and our store has been created. All right, so our store has been created. Now we need to add products to our store. So you can basically come here, click on new products and add a product. But as you can see, I have one product that is populated already, and this is because I had created a product as a standalone product initially. So you can create a product first before you create a storefront. In this case, all the products you've created on Paystack, you can just select them from here and add them. But let me just show you how to create a new product. I come here, I click on create, and then I can name my product. So let's say my product is let's say in this case it can be a physical product or a digital product. So let's say I want to do YouTube growth for, let's say, Nigerians in this case. All right, so I come here, I can write a short description what this product is about. So let's say I say this is a training on YouTube or for YouTube. All right, so this is where you set how much this training is going to cost. So if you want it to be free, you can leave it at just 0. But let's say I want to charge maybe, let's say, 50,000 naira for this. Here you can select the quantity. I'm just going to say it's unlimited because this is a virtual training, or it's not a physical product. But if it's a physical product, you can select limited. And you can also come here and say this product contain one or more physical goods, and then you can check it. All right, so if you say a physical product, you can check it. So the implication is that in the next phase you have to provide some information about the physical product that you want to sell. But I don't want to do that now, so I click on next. So this product has been created, so I just need to upload a media or pictures for this product so that customers can know what they are buying and confirm that what they are paying for is basically what they want to pay for. So let's see if I can find images that I can use. So let's just say I want to use these images of these iPhones that I have right here. So I can basically just select some of the images right here, and then you select around 6 images. So 6 or up to 6. All right, so you can select less than 6 or up to 6. So I'm just going to select these 6, and as you can see, they've been uploaded. I can delete anyone I don't like from here, but I think I like all of them. So I can basically click on save. So you can also rearrange these images to however you want it to be, all right, by just dragging and dropping them. So I can click on save here, and I should basically have created my product. And this product is going to be in my storefront. So as you can see, this is one product that I have in my storefront. But the good thing with this is you can add multiple products. So if I wanted to add another product, let me just add this one so we don't waste time. So I can basically just click on add this product. All right, I say add it to storefront. So I now have 2 products on my storefront. All right, so now I can come here, click on customize the storefront. Let's say I don't like this storefront. I can basically change the color. So let's say I am more of a blue guy. I can change this to blue. And again, this is the store link. You can add a welcome message. You can write about your business. You can put a contact email so that if people have issues, they can reach out to you through your email, like a support email that they can use to solve their problems. You can also add your social media pages if you wanted, and then you have other things that you can add here. So let's say if you wanted to, if you're selling a physical product or a downloadable product, you can set like an expiry date for the download links. All right, so after that day or the days you've set, the link will expire and people cannot download it anymore. So at the top here, you can even create discount code for your store. So let's say you wanted to create a discount code. Let's say we are approaching Easter. I can say maybe Easter, let me just call a bump for no reason. So let's say Easter bump. All right, Easter bump. And then you can select the fixed, the kind of discount you want to do. It can be a fixed amount, it can be percentage, it can be delivery. I'm going to leave it at a fixed amount because Nigerians don't like to do calculations about percentages. So let's say the discount they will get is around 5,500 if they use this code. All right, they use this code, they will get the discount. So you can equally set the preference. So let's say this discount code will only apply to a minimum order of, let's say, at least 50,000 naira. So if you don't buy anything up to 50,000 naira, this code is not going to work. So you can also set the maximum use. So let's say one customer can use it like maybe 5 times or 1 time. You can also set the maximum number of claims. So the maximum times that code would work. So let's say if this code is used up to 100 times, it should stop working. Or you can set a validity. You can say let's want this code to end maybe by 30th of April, so it will just stop working. So we have created a code. As you can see, you just need to share this code with people and then they can use it to get discounts on your store. So now you can also come here to talk about the delivery. So if you sell physical product and you do like pay delivery or physical delivery, you can add the delivery stuff here. All right, you can add the delivery stuff here, like if they can add a note. All right, if we are delivering physically, then the person will also add their address and then their fees. You add your own fee. Let's say we are in Lagos mainland or Lagos Island. So let's say I'm just going to say Lagos in this case. This is where we are. So let's say we will charge maybe 3,500 naira for delivery. So you can save that so people would know that these products will come with a delivery fee. But let's say we don't want to do that because we are technically selling a physical product. We don't want to do that. So let's say after purchase, what should happen? These people, they can be redirected to, let's say, talk to you or anything that you want. So they can be redirected to talk to you. But since we are selling a downloadable, they will be redirected to download the file that we are selling. All right, so they will be done. They will be able to download it. So that's the redirect for them. So we are basically done. And if you get orders, this is where you are going to find all the orders that you have gotten. All right, this is where you are going to find all the orders. But let's go and look at our page from the user perspective. So I'm just going to copy the link here. So if you come to Storefront, you now see your storefront here. This is a store we created. You can create multiple storefronts, but this is the one we created. You can turn it on or off. You can see the total revenue that store has generated. You can see the total orders, but let's say we want to look at our store and see what it's going to look like. This is what our store is basically going to look like. All right, so you can customize this further to suit what you need. All right, but this is what it's going to look like here. So let's say I wanted to purchase this product. I can just click on it, and then I can say add to bag. As you can see, we added multiple pictures and we can see them right here. So I can say add to bag, and then I can just proceed to the checkout. And because we said that they would need a delivery address, they can basically add their delivery address here. So they can add their full address, blah, blah, blah. And then they can continue to pay. So let me just add, let's say Lagos. Let me just say Surulere. Can say states, Lagos again. Delivery note optional. You can come here, click on next, and then you put their names. All right. Of course, you can customize all these things. If you don't want all the names, they don't need to fill it. Email address. So I'm just going to use a dummy email here. I hope this works. And they can put their phone number again. I'm going to use a very dummy phone number here. This is not my phone number, so do not call this number. So you can say review and pay, and then they can review and pay. They can say pay. Again, this is where they can add the discount code. So the discount code we created, they can add it right here. So let me see if I can get the discount code. So to get the discount code, you just need to come back to the store, and here you come to discount codes, and you can see all the ones you've created. So this is the one I created. Initially, I can just copy it. All right. If I copy it, I can come back here. So let's go back. Let's say they add the discount code. You can paste it and say apply. This should remove at least, this should help them save around 5,000 naira. As you can see, they have to pay 44,500. They can now click to go and pay, and then they can proceed to make these payments using Paystack. Now, the main advantage to this is that Paystack is popular, Paystack is trusted, Paystack is easy to use. So as you can see, they can use Pay Attitude, they can transfer, can use bank, USSD, OPay, and a whole lot of them. So this is how you can create a storefront for free inside of Paystack. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.